Hello guys, this is me Manahil Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be creating this look for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're using is Garnier Micellar Water just to clean away all the dirt from your face. Next up, I'll be using Aga Herbonics Rose Water. Just gonna spray a little amount on my face to hydrate it. Then I'll gently massage it on my face to make sure that it is absorbed in my skin properly. Next up, I'm taking this moisturizer by Neutrogena. This one is my ultimate favorite. Just gonna apply a little amount to my face and massage it gently. Using Beautify by Amna's 24K Gold and Roses Serum, it is a fast absorbing moisturizer and leaves your skin glowing and naturally radiant. Gently massaging it all over my face. Taking Beautify by Amna's Pore Fit Primer to reduce pores, wrinkles and fine lines, and skin appears really smooth and even after using it. Did my brows off camera. Next, I'm using CoverGirl's concealer just to prime my lids. Now I'm using the Dodo Girl eyeshadow palette and taking the lightest brown shade and using it right above my crease, blending it nicely. Taking another brown shade which is slightly darker than the previous one and blending it right into my crease. Now I'm taking the darkest brown shade from the palette and placing it right on my outer corner and blending it thoroughly into the crease. Next, I'm taking Catrice Cosmetics Absolute Eye Color in the shade 550. It's a purplish color and I'm placing it right above the darkest brown color that I used before and blending it really well. Taking the brightest purple shade from the Profusion makeup kit and placing it right beside the shades I used before and blending it really nicely. The key to makeup is blending, hence I'm gonna blend all the shades really well. From the palette I used before, I'm taking this purple shimmery shade and placing it right above my lid with a flat brush. Blending the shimmer shade with the matte shade so that I get a really fused and blended makeup look. Now wiping off the excess fallout and making sure that nothing looks messy and untidy. For eyeliner, I'll be using Makeup Revolution's Renaissance Flick eyeliner and making a wing from the outer corner.
Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. A balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place above, and I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally
Back to the face now. I'm using e.l.f.'s Acne Fighting Foundation and blending it on my skin with an e.l.f. stipple brush. After I have applied my foundation with the brush, I'm just going to use a beauty blender and dab it onto my skin so that the foundation blends in perfectly and the makeup doesn't look flaky. Using the same CoverGirl Stick Concealer for my under eyes and to highlight my face. Dabbing it and blending it thoroughly with the mini beauty blender. Using this brown shade from the Casbona kit to contour my face.
I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I am here to stay. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away.
Now I'm setting my face with Beautify by Amna's loose setting powder and leaving it on for 5 minutes.
I'm floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know
Removing the excess with the powder brush.
but at last I can finally see.
For highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Soft X Highlighter Palette. Highlighting my cheekbones so that I get a really glowy finished makeup look. Highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighter palette. Taking Catrice Cosmetic eyeshadow again and placing it on my lower lash line and blending it really well. Using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Mascara Revolution, which gives a lot of volume to my eyelashes. Don't forget to put mascara on your lower lashes. Using a really nice pink blush from the MAC Mini Makeup Kit and placing it on my cheeks. For lips, I'm using a purple shade from Medora's lipstick. Also using a purple gloss from Max Factor. Lastly, I'm gonna use e.l.f.'s Mist to set my face. And we're finally done with the makeup look. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and hit the bell icon for more updates. Follow me on Instagram. Bye bye, take care.